Hi guys, this is part 2 of the WLtoys 2402 review video. So let's see how it performs. I was asked how fast this car is at minimum throttle dual rate. This is maximum speed. So I think it's perfectly suitable for smaller kids. And this is maximum throttle dual rate. Better. But does it have off-road capabilities? Let's find out. I would say this is respectable for a 120 scale. Of course this is too much. No! But this was the driver's fail. Let's try again. Off-road capabilities confirmed. Next test, top speed on longer distances. This is definitely decent for a 120 scale. But as I already mentioned in part 1 of this video, the steering is horrible with the original transmitter. Luckily it's much better with an A979B transmitter. Can this thing handle jumps? This was a nice one. Let's try another one. Oops, but nothing happened. Jumping confirmed. Let's do another off-road test. Wow, it's remarkable how well this little thing handles grass and leaf. Next test, coarse gravel. Of course it's struggling a bit because of its small scale. And yes, the center of gravity is a bit high. How does it handle concrete surfaces? That's why it needs a wheelie bar. Next test, is it robust? It's still fine. Fine gravel test. Drifting is pretty much impossible with this remote. Oops, I don't like this grinding noise. Again this horrible noise. I assume there is gravel inside the gearbox. Not good. Looks like we have to stop now, the gearbox is dying. But this jump is mandatory, so let's do it. Nice landing, and by the way, it's 0 degrees Celsius. The gearbox is stuck, that's it. So let's try with a bigger battery. This is an 1100 mAh 2S LiPo. Will it completely destroy the gears? It has some power, but the gears are definitely done. That's the end of this test, so let's try to fix this damage. Now we are in. The pinion has the typical gravel damage. So it looks like we have to improve the gearbox sealing. Wow, just wow. The rear diff doesn't look good at all. Look at all that fine gravel inside the diff gearbox. First I cleaned the gears as good as possible. Then I designed this gearbox cover. You can download the STL data on my Thingiverse page. This is the 3D printed result. After some deburring, fits nicely on the motor. Test fit, but something's wrong. It's too high. This is the second attempt. We don't want burrs around the center drive shaft. Now it fits perfectly. Fine gravel will stay outside now. At least I hope so. And this is the motor back in place. The final step is to reassemble the rear suspension. This is the result of this repair. Works fine again. The final question is, do I recommend this truck? Well, as long as you use it indoors only, it's fine. If you use it in wet areas, you have to add a conformal coating to the receiver. And if you use it in fine gravel, you have to seal the gearbox. All in all, it's a good design. Ball bearings all around, metal drive shafts and reinforcements, and it is extremely fast. The steering can be improved with an A979B transmitter. And yes, I was not able to source spare parts for this car. Please write it to the comments if you know where we can find those parts. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. Bye!